Hey, what's going on everyone? Destin here, back at it again with another switch review video. This time we're talking about the Keepscape HMX Snow Crash Rail Bottom Out Linears. On sale now, you can pick them up with my affiliates over at Unikeys with the link down below. We'll go ahead and talk about them. Now while they're not on sale, they're usually $3.50 a pack, with each pack equating of 10 switches. Given they are RBO switches, they don't have the super loud and clacky bottom out sound as much HMX switches come with. To make up for it, they offer an extremely tight tolerance and exceptionally smooth typing experience. Designed by Keepscape, manufactured by HMX. Top and bottom housings consist of a PA66 12.75 mm long palm stem, 18mm KOS single stage extended spring. Coming factory lube, they offer an operating force of 50 grams and a bottom out of 58 grams, a 2.0 mm pre-travel, and a 4.0 mm total travel. In a cherry style switch opener, go ahead and crack these switches open, take a look at the parts individually. A PA66 top housing, 12.75 mm long palm stem, 18mm KOS single stage extended spring, and our PA66 bottom housings. Taking a closer look at this Snow Crash by Keepscape, they're a 5-pin PCB mount switch and an all black colorway with a white stem. Let's take a listen. Not too shabby. Taking a look into the next category, we'll check out the stem wobble. And with the precision molding, there is zero to no stem wobble. Fantastic job, as there's not much movement happening here. I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. And go ahead and toss on a keycap and take a look at the housing wobble. When taking things apart, they felt pretty tight. The keycap's on, really pressing down firmly. It's a little bit of wobble here in this area. Now when I first tried these switches, I felt, what better switch to compare it to than the Sanja's? Another rail bottom out switch by HMX, with subtle differences, but they are there. Toss a full set of these Snow Crash linears inside the Polygon 7 with no foam and an alu plate, and take a listen.